Hey guys, welcome to Orangetheory Fitness, Colorado. It's your regional trainer, Scott here. Just want to let you know about something really exciting we're doing in 2018. So, with the rower, we're going to up-level you guys into all athletes on the rower in 2018. Some of you guys may be familiar with watts and miles per hour, but split time is what rowers use on the water. So we're all going to be using split time. So to break that down for you guys, when you're rowing, the average time it takes you to row 500 meters is a number you're going to see on the top right. You guys are going to see this in just a moment, but just think about it. When you're rowing 500 meters, it gives you that destination time on the top right. So you have a little Google Maps pulled up right on your rower for 500 meters. So if you know you're going a little bit shorter than 500 meters, it'll take a little bit less time than what's on the top right. And if you're going a little bit longer than that, it's going to take a little bit longer than the time on the top right. All right, team? So watch this out. I'm going to show you a couple things, your base, your push, your all out, a couple of cues, tips, and tools, and then you guys will get to play in 2018. So check this out. As always, when we start class, coach says, hey guys, let's get warmed up. Focus on driving your legs. 1 count drive, 2 count recovery. All right, team, let's go ahead, get to base pace. Base pace, challenging but doable effort. Something you could sustain for about 25 to 30 minutes. And let's get you green on that TV screen. So right here, I'm locking into my base pace. Feeling pretty good with my form. I'm at about a 2-minute split time. So from there, if we're gonna take it to a push effort, all right guys, let's try to drop it about 5 to 10 seconds off your base split time. Drive your legs harder, but don't drive any faster. Excellent. You can see that split time dropping down. Beautiful. And then for your all-out effort, you know what we say. Let's see what you guys got. Drop that split time as low as you can. Hold your form and go for it. Drive harder, not faster. Power, patience, patience. So watch that number just drop away. Every stroke, there goes a second. We'll try to keep on drop that time. Heart rate's going up. I could hardly talk right now. We're doing good. And then your recovery row, nice and easy. Keeping your form. We're gonna give you guys a target on your recovery row. Keeping your split time below 3 minutes. Personal challenge from Coach Scott. All right, team, so check that out.